Well, thank you for conquering your fear and checking out another 3 minutes for Sierra Vista Christianity of what you can do to stop being racist. The biggest one is disavow the concept or use your Christianity for a force of good and ask yourself, Adam and Eve, it started in the Bible, two people, okay, what race were they? Fact of the matter is we are all descended from Adam and Eve. I understand that you don't believe Adam and Eve. You think it's a fairy tale, but they needed to put something in the Bible to get it started and kind of get it cooking. That's probably where most people are at. You're somewhere where I'm not there. I've studied it too much. By that I mean a good couple hours. And unfortunately, the more a person actually looks into it, the more the whole evolutionary thing that we were a bunch of chimps running around smacking each other on the head with bones for 65 million years before we learned to be smart and talk and stuff. It just doesn't pan out. It's good, though. I know it briefs well. It's easy for people to pick up. It's just not true that people love that. I mean, Adam and Eve, Garden of Eden, and Word of God. I got it. Well, at some point, I know, I got you. I understand, I feel, well, the scientific part of you says, yeah, okay, fine. Here's science. You want science? Look it up. It's called the mitochondrial Eve. Okay, can you find Wikipedia? Is that hard enough? Is that easy enough to find Wikipedia? Mitochondria, okay, cool word. DNA inside of your cells that provide energy for the cell to operate. Learned about the stuff, I think, in high school, biology. The problem is that the mitochondria has its own DNA and can be tracked from mother to mother to mother. And they've tracked the mitochondrial DNA. Unfortunately, well, we can't say 12,000 years. Ooh, I can't say that. They kind of stretched it out to 100,000 years. Mitochondrial DNA. So they pretty much got a map here. You can see my big head. Pretty much where the mitochondrial DNA of where it started. And by the way, it's in all people. It's in everybody. So don't be saying that there's no science to support Adam and Eve. And I got it. There's a lot of people out there. It could be science that they're not interested in, and they can, wow, it's Wikipedia. Okay, fine. Dig a little deeper and discredit it. But not without looking up mitochondrial Eve on the old Wikipedia there. Thanks for tuning in. Watch out for our next one. We're going to talk about the flood.